The error or fault code P0 in the air conditioning system may be associated with a malfunction of the electronic module located in the outdoor unit, or with an overcurrent protection of its IGBT transistor. Some recommendations to resolve this fault code are as follows. 1. Disconnect the equipment from the power supply for several minutes. 2. Reconnect the equipment and observe if the error disappears. 3. If the error persists, use a multimeter to check if the power voltage is normal. Also, examine the connection of all equipment cables. 4. If the error persists, focus on the electronic controller of the outdoor unit. Check if the LED indicators illuminate or blink. 5. If the LEDs illuminate or blink, it may indicate that the card is generating continuous voltage. It is advisable to focus on the IPM circuit, which distributes this generated voltage. If no LED lights up, consider reviewing the PFC circuit, the voltage generator. 6. When the LEDs do not light up, to verify the PFC circuit, ensure that the continuous voltage appears within the card, especially at the output voltage of the PFC rectifier bridge. When the equipment is powered with 110 volts AC, after the rectifier bridge, the voltage should be around 150 continuous volts, and when the equipment is powered with 220 volts AC, after the rectifier bridge, it should be around 300 continuous volts. 7. If the continuous voltage after the rectifier bridge is correct, now, without energizing the card, check the electrical continuity between the input and output of the coil or reactor in the PFC circuit. 8. Verify the correct values of resistors in the PFC circuit, as well as the status of the diode. Additionally, visually check with a capacitance meter the state of the capacitors, and observe electrical continuity in the card traces. 9. Check the status of the IGBT transistor in the PFC circuit. 10. When the LEDs of the outdoor unit card light up, focus first on the IPM circuit of the external card. The IPM circuit is responsible for distributing the voltage generated by the PFC circuit to the compressor coils. It is recommended to focus on observing the continuity of the traces that transmit electricity from the card. 11. Check the values of resistors in the IPM circuit, as well as the status of diodes, and verify the status of capacitors. Additionally, observe the state of transistors that send voltage to the compressor coils. 12. The easiest way to test transistors is to check with a multimeter the value between the transistor legs. If one leg presents different values from the others, it probably needs replacement.